October 2025 just confirmed it. Southern Ontario is in one of the strongest buyers' markets we've seen in over a decade. Prices are down, inventory is climbing, and negotiation power is shifting dramatically. But which cities are dropping the fastest? Which neighborhoods still hold strong? And is this the moment to buy, sell, invest, or wait? In today's deep dive, I'm breaking down the entire October 2025 Southern Ontario real estate market: Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, Hamilton, Kitchener, Waterloo, what's really happening, and what you need to know before making your next move. Let us start with the biggest question everyone is searching for right now: is Southern Ontario in a buyer's market in October 2025? Yes, every major region has officially shifted. Prices are down 5 to 10% year over year across most of Southern Ontario. Inventory is up, giving buyers more choice and more leverage. While GTA sales rose 10% month over month, they still sit below October 2024 levels. Peel, York, and Waterloo saw some of the steepest price corrections, with detached homes and semis taking the biggest hits. Condos and townhomes, however, remain quite active, so the big picture is clear. If you're buying, this is one of the most favorable environments we've had since the late 2000s. Let's break down the GTA, starting with the average price, which is now $1,054,372, down 7.2% year over year. The benchmark price is down 5%. This is the first time in years the GTA has had such a wide spread between new listings and actual sales. Buyers are taking their time, negotiating hard, and sellers are finally adjusting their expectations. The top value neighborhoods right now are Scarborough, Ajax, Pickering, and select pockets of North York. Over in the Peel region, Mississauga and Brampton saw some of the largest price declines across the entire GTA. Prices are down over 7% year over year. Brampton listings surged, pushing prices down even further, while Mississauga's semis and townhomes showed the strongest buyer demand. This is one of Peel's most negotiable markets in years. In York region, we're seeing price drops of 6 to 8%, with activity strongest in Vaughan, Markham, and Aurora. Why? Families are trading down, moving from detached homes into townhomes or condos to manage affordability. Durham region continues to be the GTA's affordability anchor. Oshawa and Clarington are attracting first-time buyers, while Ajax and Pickering remain the best value detached markets. And in Halton region, which includes Oakville and Burlington, the luxury markets are adjusting a bit slower, but the correction is definitely visible. Oakville detached homes are down 6%, and Burlington townhomes are seeing softer pricing and increased supply. Now let's head over to the Hamilton, Burlington, and Waterloo regions. In Hamilton, Burlington, the months of supply are the highest they have been since 2009. The key value zones here are Stony Creek and Brantford. Buyers in this area have more leverage than at any point in the last decade. Down in the Waterloo region, Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge, the average price is now $734,928, a drop of 5.6%. Townhomes and semis have seen the biggest corrections, with condos down over 10% year over year. Cambridge and East Kitchener are the hottest entry-level markets right now as investors have stepped back, but first-time buyers are stepping in to fill that gap. Looking at specific housing types, detached homes have seen the largest price declines and are spending longer on the market. Semis have also seen big year-over-year drops, especially in Waterloo, offering strong negotiation room. Townhomes are popular with value-focused buyers and have seen more moderate price declines. Finally, condos have seen an investor slowdown, but first-time buyers are re-entering the market. Across all types, buyers have more options and more leverage than ever. So what's driving all this? A few key factors. Mortgage rates for a 5-year variable are down to 3.54%, which triggered the October activity bump. Immigration trends continue to drive demand, especially in Hamilton, Waterloo, and Durham. And on the supply side, new listings are up across the board, with Hamilton and Waterloo seeing their highest supply since 2009. This has created a real shift in market sentiment. Buyers are cautious, value-focused, and negotiating aggressively. They're preferring affordable pockets and entry-level homes. Sellers, on the other hand, are becoming more flexible and accepting realistic offers. Longer listing times are giving them more motivation to make a deal. Investor sentiment is the weakest segment, which is why the condo market is adjusting the fastest. Looking forward to the rest of the fall and the end of 2025, we expect prices to continue softening while inventory stays high. The GTA will likely stabilize earlier, but Hamilton and Waterloo will remain firmly in a buyer's market. The biggest opportunities right now are in affordable neighborhoods, townhomes, and new build pockets in places like Cambridge, Stony Creek, Ajax, and Pickering. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in Southern Ontario, navigating this market requires precision, data, and strategy. That's exactly where my expertise comes in. I provide real-time market analysis, pricing strategies built for high inventory conditions, and proven negotiation frameworks for both buyers and sellers. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a seller aiming for maximum value, or an investor timing the bottom, I can guide you through every step with clarity and confidence. If you found this October 2025 Southern Ontario real estate market update helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I release in-depth market reports every month covering the GTA, Hamilton, Kitchener, Waterloo, and all of Southern Ontario. And if you want personalized guidance tailored to your situation, reach out anytime. I'm here to help you make the smartest move in today's market.